This is what I diffuse when I want my house to smell like autumn. You are gonna love this scent and wanna make a master blend. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products you can use in your home every day. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can make your own diffuser blend that brings the wonderful aroma of fall into your home. So turn off all your distractions because making is healing. So let's make this Autumn Ambience Diffuser Blend from Simply Earth. Know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy for you to create with essential oils and natural ingredients. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY candle recipe box, where along with this diffuser blend, you can learn how to make different candle-themed recipes. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe and more delivered right to your door. We're even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients you need for this recipe on simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing the ingredients I need from Simply Earth's DIY candle recipe box. For this recipe, you need 3 essential oils: lava, sweet orange, and cassia. You also want a 5 ml bottle to make a master blend. The combination of these oils smells sweet and spicy, just like me. You're also going to want to pick a diffuser. I'm using the Stone Diffuser from simplyearth.com. To make this, you need 2 drops of lava, 2 drops of orange, and 1 drop of cassia. Oh, this is so energizing. It is perfect for autumn. If you're messy like me, you may want to use a funnel. So to make the master blend, you want 40 drops of lava, 40 drops of orange, and 20 drops of cassia. Swirl, and don't forget to label it. To use this master blend, I'd start with 3 drops in whatever diffuser you've chosen. If you want a stronger scent, just add a few more drops. And if you have any adorable pets, just make sure to leave the door open. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a photo and tag From Simply Earth and add hashtag I made this so I can see it, and you will automatically be entered into our $5 drawing. What easy money! See the details below this video. Thanks for watching.